Hashtag JRideReviews family and more. I know y'all probably thinking I'm crazy with no hands on the wheel. I just wanted to show you real quickly how this Ford bluecruise works. So you set your speed over here like normal, right in here, right? I'm driving to go see my mom in Orlando, and I have a 2025 Ford Explorer ST. Not the ST line, but the ST. But anyway, it said watch the road. But this bluecruise is amazing. One of the guys told me about it, and I've never had anything where it's hands-free, but it tells you hands-free right there. And check this out. It adds the adaptive cruise control to it, so when you get close to a car, it slows down, right? But another cool feature is when you get ready to change lanes, all you gotta do is hit the turn signal, and it says watch the road, and it changes lanes for you. Look. Technology is amazing, y'all. God bless you. God keep you. I'm super excited. JRideReviews is headed to Orlando to see my mama. She came down from New Jersey, her and my sister, and saying watch the road. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you real quick. Y'all want to check out this and another Ford Explorer ST, go to your local Ford dealer. I'm gonna rep Tallahassee Ford all day, all night, because they have literally helped me change my life. God first, and then he put the regular people in the perfect places. But it said resume control because I was going over the interstate ramp, just in case somebody was coming up the ramp. But just wanted to show y'all bluecruise. It's amazing.